Yeah. So we were discussing about the occupancy in the last video. So here I was saying that we will take the max achievable occupancy with the meeting business KPI. Okay. And yes, also we take the occupancy based on the dummy schedule. So if you want to take the occupancy based on the dummy schedule, so already I have covered the topic. So you can go through the video that is on capacity planning. You can go through that. But yes, I just want to clarify in the max achievable occupancy, sometimes you see that at real time, what our real time analyst does, they adjust the breaks and all. So based on that, we always get the higher occupancy. Okay, because occupancy is totally based on the call arrival pattern. So I hope it is clear. Yes, no, maybe
Yes, I'll go
anything.
on.
Okay, so here the occupancy that I'm going to take is 82% flat for every interval. So let me delete it. Now, now you can see that I have all the assumptions which are required for linear calculation and scheduling. Okay, so here what I will do is I will calculate the requirement. So this is my requirement. So first of all, I just want to clear the formula to everyone. What is the formula for requirement calculation? So
Chandra, I have a question.
yes, please.
Uh, are we getting the same volume and the same volume arrival for all the intervals throughout the week?
No, that is different. Let me
Then
take you
if
through.
the volume, yeah,
Yes.
if the volume arrival is different, and you know the AST arrival is also different for the all intervals, then how are occupancies 82% for flat for the every interval? It should be very
Yeah, so it should be very, but already I have told you that I have taken 82%. Okay,
okay, okay,
so
okay. So,
you can go and take the occupancy based on the trend. Okay, but
hmm
already I've told you because here we are doing the flat calculation, so I have taken 82% because you will see in the you will see on interval level you will get occupancy somewhere below 80, somewhere above 80,
right,
and some interval
right.
will be missed because in the example I have taken only 80% of meeting service level.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Right.
that's why I've taken 82%.
Okay. So flat you have taken for all the
Yeah,
intervals, huh? Okay.
correct. So you can assume that the weekly occupancy that I'm getting and with meeting in service level, I've taken
Yeah,
based
yeah,
on that. Okay.
yeah, yeah, sure.
So the formula that we have for requirement calculation, volume into AST and we divide it by the available time. So the available time that we have is half an hour because the interval duration is 30 minutes, right? So they will take in seconds 1800 and will multiply by the occupancy. So we have so these are the hours which are required to meet the to handle these volumes. So far everything is clear, I hope.
Yeah, Chandra, all good. So this is
Yeah.
this is without shrinkage, right?
Yeah, this is without shrinkage. So
Okay,
I'm not
all
going
good.
to take the shrinkage in the requirement. Okay. I will apply the shrinkage in a schedule because we are creating the schedule here.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, Chandra.
Okay. This is my requirement. Now we will create the schedule. So in a different sheet, I will create a schedule. Okay. Shift. So my week is starting from Monday. So I'm not taking any name. So we have 24/7. Hope. So to cover the 24/7, I'm taking only 3 shifts. Mm, 06 to 15 and 2 to 14 to 23 and the last shift 22 to 7. So this is how I have created a schedule. Is it clear?
So Chandra, as of now, you have randomly you have taken consecutive week offs and a shift also, right?
Correct.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Chandra, two
Now,
algorithms are not Mickey Mouse. So can you please?
now what I will do is,
Chandra bhai,
yes, please.
yes, this roster is being prepared based on the actual headcount, right?
Yeah. So you can
Okay.
put the name of the agents, but yes, if you will share this particular template to the operations with the schedule, so they can put their names, put the agents names, okay, based on their preferences.
Yeah, you can use you we can use it as a blank shells right now, right? If you
Right.
want. Okay. So I believe we are going to adjust the number of heads, right?
Yes,
First, first you will get to count, and then you will adjust if required.
correct. So this is the head count for the shift. Okay. And total head count. So this is my total head count. And to validate the head count, I can also show the week ops below this. Yes. Now what I will do is, so here in the schedule, my first shift is starting from 6.
Mm.
So I will take this head count plus. So my first shift start from here and it will end at 15. My second shift start from 14 hours interval. I will take the second shift as well. Okay. Now my first shift will be end and this shift will go till here. My next shift also will start. Now here one thing. So we have 24 hours window. So my shift will overlap. Okay. So people who will be logged in on Sunday night, they will be working on Monday morning as well. Right. So taking same number here, Now coming here again. So I will take the so for these two intervals, my only one shift will be logged in. Not yes, correct. Now here I will take this cell reference. And again my shift will overlap for 1 hour. So this is how I can create the schedule. I hope it is clear.
Yes, all clear.
Yes.
The logic I have applied here to add the shift, if you have 24 hours window and your shift is starting, uh, l- let's take example. As here I've taken, my shift is starting on Sunday and it will finish on Monday, right? So in same way, I have taken the example as well. And same, I have followed the same pattern and created the template here. Okay. Now this is my schedule. So this will be my schedulers. So in between you can see from 6:30 to 17 we have high requirement. So 23 to 24 people are required. So now we have not taken any headcounts. We can add more shifts. And I can change the week offs. So these are the random schedule that I'm taking. You can change the values as per your requirement. So I have taken only 3 shifts. So you can also take another shift which will cover these interval as well. Okay. So based on the call arrival pattern, you can take the numbers. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So now what I will do is I will apply the shrinkage. So already we have discussed the formula, that is a schedule head count multiply by 1 minus shrinkage percentage. So we have taken the shrinkage. So this will be my post shrinkage numbers. Now what I will do is I will calculate the capacity.
Chandra, can you please elaborate this again? Percentage portion where you are testing schedule for shrinkage and is reducing the headcount. So, can you please elaborate it again?
Hariom, I cannot hear you properly. Could you please repeat again?
Yeah, sure. I'm saying, can you please elaborate this schedule for shrinkage as you're saying that the actual number was 7, but if we see that it is going to reduce number, it is 5 now.
Yeah,
Ideally, it should be higher if we are applying shrinkage. So, uh, can you please elaborate how we are applying this formula again here?
yeah. So when we apply this linkage, okay, in the schedule head count. So here you can see that I'm doing minus the linkage number. Okay. So as in previous sessions, we have covered two formulas, one for underhead and one for overhead. So whenever we are taking linkage as buffer, so we will divide the head count. Okay. And whenever we are uh, applying the formula on schedules, so always we will reduce the shrinkage. Okay, so what I have done is, let me do it in another way. So what I have done is, I have done minus the shrinkage, so 30% shrinkage. So this is what exactly I have done in different formula. I hope it is clear now.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, thanks.
So what you can do is, now here you can calculate the capacity. So post shrinkage number those we have, these we are assuming that these agent will be available to take the call on that particular interval. Okay. So we have 18 hours, 30 minutes of interval. So we will take this, and now we will go into the occupancy. So we have taken the flat occupancy, that is 82%. Now we will divide it by our AST. So with these many agents, we have capacity of 5,772 calls. So we know we are here under staff. So these are the tentative schedule which I have taken. Okay. So here we can see that we have plotted only 43 schedules. So this number might be like close to 90. Okay. So let me increase these numbers again. It will, now you can see that my capacity has been increased. Okay. Now moving to the overs and unders. So first of all, we will look into staffing, overs and unders. So this is my post shrinkage number, and this is my requirement. So here you can see that I'm minus by 1 headcount. So everywhere almost we are minus. We will apply different formula here. Now again, we will look in capacity or under. So my capacity for this particular rental is 21, and what is my forecast? 26. So this is my capacity or under. Now what you can do is you can apply condition formatting. Less than 0 grade, and same should be here. Less than 0. So here we can see that we have 31 interval, 41 interval where we are negative. So how we can manage? We can go into the schedule where we are overstaffed. We can remove the week offs. We can give the week offs there, and where we are negative, we can adjust the week offs, and also we can add the schedules. So for we do not have enough schedule. So basically, this is the random number that I've taken. So it would be difficult to manage the schedules. But yes, as per your understanding, you can pick the data and you can adjust the schedules. Okay.
Chandra, one question.
Yes, please.
When you have taken the shrinkage, have you considered the break inside the shrinkage, or you are going to schedule the break differently?
No, everything is there. Okay. Because already I've taken the 30% based on the trend. So,
Okay.
in the first session, I've already told you these are the numbers, okay, which I got from the planner. So what planner does? Planner share the number based on the trend and based on the discussion with the operations. Okay.
Okay.
So yes, you can get this number from anyone, that can planner, manager, your supervisor, anyone. So yes, here you can adjust the schedules. Now you can see that we have 230 intervals. Okay. And now 24, no, I mean 48 into 7. These are total intervals that we have, and we have 230 intervals are not met. So if I will do minus, so my only 30% KPI is being met. My 30% interval are 32% close to intervals are being met. Is it clear?
Yes.
Missed, met. So for today, I think this is enough because this was totally based on the linear calculation. So everything was from scratch. So you can adjust these schedules, okay, as per the requirement. So I hope everything is clear to everyone and everyone will be able to do the scheduling based on the linear calculation and will be able to create the scratch, I mean the template as well. And if you are facing any kind of problem in between, you can go through the video. If you are not able to clear your doubts, so just please ping me on WhatsApp or you can directly reach out to me on my number.
Sure, Chandra. Thanks.
Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful.
I have one question.
Yes, please.
Yeah, go to the roast, yeah, calculation and move to the requirement. Yeah. So these are the very low number for if I let's take an example more than 500 or more than 100 agent in a day or any day like Monday or something. So like at the morning, midnight to